Color correcting is not color grading. Yes, it shock you. Yes, color correcting is not color grading. I know most of us do think that color correcting is color grading. See, what you do most times when you were after editing your videos and then you go to contrast, you go to brightness, you try to increase them to set them so that you have a good video quality. That thing you are doing is not color grading. You are only color correcting it. You are trying to make the colors in the video brighter. You get my point? To get to a higher quality. Now, the difference between color grading and color correcting is, now let me tell you, just hold your pen, hold your book, write it down so you will not forget. But I would prefer if you like this video and you share it, you get my point, so that you can watch it again. You get my point? So now color grading is a kind of you making two colors, bringing two colors and trying to merge them together. You blend them and it will give you another different color. That is color grading. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Now you bring in two colors, two different. If you want me to make a video on color grading, I will do that. But this particular video I'm making right here is for color correcting, and I'm going to show you how to get a good video quality with color correcting. You get my point? So what you need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video from the beginning to the end. You get my point? So let's dive in. Alright guys, so I have to bring in this short video clip so that you will see the original video quality and the video quality when I'm done color correcting it. You get my point? So now look at it. Now what I'm gonna do here is I will tap on the video layer right here, then go and duplicate it. Let me duplicate this video. So I just duplicated this video so that you will see the difference. Now let's go over to the duplicated layer right here as it is. Now what I'm going to do, what you should do, if you have a video, maybe you are shooting the video with a low quality phone or camera, so this is what you will have to do, understand, to brighten your video, to enhance your video, understand? So now you come here to just go to filter. Where is filter? Tap on the video layer you want to use. Now go to filter. Where is filter? Alright, click on filter right here, understand? So what you're going to look for, you're going to look for clear 2. This is clear, normal clear. I'm not using this one, so I'm going to go to clear, look for clear 2, understand? So let's, alright, so look at clear 2 here. So when you click on it, you tap on it, you see a little difference from the first video. In fact, let me just swipe so you see. Now look at this and look at this, but you may not really notice it, but just keep watching. Make sure you like and share this video. Make sure you comment. If you are coming across my video for the first time, please, thank you so much for watching. You are welcome to Mr. Capcut Update. I teach how to edit videos, understand? So if you love video editing so well, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another video editing update like this. You get my point? So when you are done with that, just tap on it. You can still go back to that filter. Where is that filter? Where is filter? This filter is always hiding. So click on filter right here. Now we are not going to do anything here. You go to adjust. Just tap on adjust. Now you increase the brightness a little. Increase it to, leave it at 20. Yes, you leave it at 20. Understand? Now the next thing for you to go to is to go to sharpen. Go to sharpen. When you go to sharpen, you increase it to 100. You get my point? Now go to clarity. Tap on clarity. So you are going to increase it to 50. So you leave it at 50. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but you are beginning to see the change in the video. Understand? It doesn't end there. The next thing you should do right here is you can come over to graph. Now it's on white. Now look at this graph here. Some of you don't even know how to use graph. You can just tap here. If you increase it, it will be too bright. Understand? You bring it down. Understand? You see the color it's gonna give you. So what you do right here is to increase a little. Just increase it a little. Somewhere here. 154, 185. You get my point? So you can leave it there. Then you tap on green. Then you try to increase a little. So you can just leave it at yes, leave it somewhere here. You get my point? So you click on OK. Now it doesn't end there. Let's come over here. Let's come over to temperature. This temp, you reduce it a little. Make it minus 15. You get my point? Now you leave it there. Now with this, you can see there's a very big difference from the first video. So if you are playing this video now, you're going to have something like this. So look at this. You get my point? This is nice. This is nice. Now if you want to still spice it up, if you want to make the video quality more interesting, you get my point, you can tap on it, then go to adjust. You go to adjust. When you go to adjust, now come here to HSL. Now click on HSL right here. Understand? So you can tap on this yellow. You get my point? Now try to increase it a little. Understand? Increase to 50. No, 50. You get my point? You reduce the hue. If you reduce the hue, this is what you're going to get. But I don't like it this way. So you leave the hue at 10 or 11. Just leave it here at 10. You get my point? The lightness, increase it also. So with this, alright, so with this, guys, you are good to go. Click on this OK button. Now click on OK. So you see a very big difference from the first video. Now, no matter the quality, the kind of camera you're using, when you apply all these things, now this is color correcting. I'm trying to correct the color. You get my point? So this one is a bit different from color grading. Understand? So maybe if you want me to make a tutorial on color grading, let me know in the comment section, because I'll be happy to make that tutorial for you guys, so that you know the difference between color grading and color correcting. Because most of us, we do think color grading is color correcting. It's almost the same thing, but it's not absolutely the same thing. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that is just it. I don't want to talk much on this. So from here, this is how your video is going to look like, and I believe you love what you see. So you can export your video to your gallery. You get my point?